Okay, so let's talk about features. Obviously it's an Android head unit, so you have all the good stuff like YouTube, you can put Netflix on it, you can watch Amazon Video, BBC iPlayer, you can use all the video stuff that you can't do on the big brand units. But that's standard Android stuff. And then obviously if I pop my car into reverse, you get a proper good quality reverse camera coming up, and this is an ATOTO AHD reverse camera, high definition reverse camera. Is excellent. The reverse camera didn't come with this unit, it is something that I needed to get separately, but getting an AHD reverse camera does make a considerable difference to one of those cheap eBay ones that you can buy. What it also does have is Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. Not wireless Android Auto though, but it does have wireless Apple CarPlay, so that's what I'm going to be testing right now. So to start off with, we need to actually connect this unit to Bluetooth of the iPhone. So I'm going to go to the phone button here, and I'm going to click on Bluetooth, and I'm going to click scan, and you can see Stuart's iPhone here, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to pair request on my iPhone, so I'm going to hit pair, allow contacts, yeah, fine. Okay, so we can see it's now connected. So now what we want to do is go into the apps and go to CarLink, wait for the device to connect. Connecting. On my iPhone it says use CarPlay. Yeah, I'm going to use the CarPlay. And there we go, wireless Apple CarPlay. So that's excellent. Very, very quick to set up, no hassle whatsoever. So total control over Google Maps, my Spotify, and then whatever else apps that I've got on my iPhone that are compatible with CarPlay. As I say, it does actually have Android Auto as well, but you need to connect it using a USB cable.